everybody. Look at my nice, beautiful area with plants and flowers. It's just lovely. Anyway, Spirit wants us to know that we got the world in our hands. You have a secret admirer in the heavens. They also want you to know that a secret wish is going to be granted, and they want you to keep your heart open to it. You are receiving protection from a powerful friend that you have. You need to feel the divine love, peace, and harmony that's working through you. Something is coming your way. You're feeling frustrated at the moment, but you need to breathe in love and breathe out the energies that don't serve you. You need to accept where you are at the moment. You are exactly in the right place at the right time. You're going to experience successful outcomes very soon. There is a stable energy around you. You're getting good advice from someone close by you that's going to help you a great deal. Spirit says you need to sleep on certain issues and you'll know exactly what to do in the morning. You're stepping into new experiences and you will be guided along the way. You need to stay positive. It is only the beginning of your new journey. And your loved ones say, share the message of love and reach for the stars. Have a lovely evening, everybody. God bless you all.